Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. This vehicle is featured in red metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our front and rear privacy tint, hatch in the rear, sunroof, backup camera, and heated seats. Now onto the interior of the Cruze. On our door panel we can see our chrome door handle, window and mirror controls, as well as our Bose speaker and storage. Side of the seat we have our power adjustable seats, and left of the steering wheel we have our lighting controls, and then we have our gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer, multi-function steering wheel, push start behind, our infotainment screen with backup camera, projection for our phone as well as phone connectivity, our radio controls, climate controls, heated seat options and charging outlets. And then we have our gear selection stalk, 2 cup holders, traction control option, storage, and padded leather center console lid. Our front seats are featured in black fabric with textured gray in the lower portion. You can see our key there. We do have remote start. And above the rear view mirror, we have OnStar controls, reading lights, and a sunroof. Now back onto the exterior, we can see our alloy rims with Chevrolet badge center caps, paint match mirror caps and door handles. You can see our chrome lock and unlock buttons there, and then our front and rear privacy tint. Up top we have our paint match fin antenna, and around to the back we have our Cruze and LT badging, both in chrome. Chevrolet badge. Underneath that we have the release for our lift gate, and inside we have plenty of storage room as well as our rear privacy cover. And now onto the rear interior, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seat we have our magazine holder, and back of the center console area we have our charging outlet. Then our back seats are a 60-40 split with fold down center seat featuring 2 cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2018 Chevrolet Cruze. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily Chevrolet videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.